A. A for alligator. Alligator. Parrot green color. B. B. B for banana. Banana. Navy blue color. C. C. C for cupboard. Cupboard. Yellow color. D. D for dolphin. Dolphin. Pink color. E. E for engine. Engine.
In the Dell, the farmer in the Dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the Dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Blue color. F.
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
F for frog.
The child takes the
Frog.
Hi ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow
Bottle green
takes the
color.
dog,
G.
the cow takes the dog. Hi ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes
G
the cat.
for
The
gorilla.
dog takes the cat.
Gorilla.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese.
Orange color.
The mouse
H.
takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese.
H for
The cheese stands
horse.
alone. The cheese stands
Horse.
alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Purple color. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Capital A. Red color. Capital A. Yellow color. Capital B. Violet color. C. Navy blue color. D. Green color. E. Pink color. F. Parrot green color. G. Brown color. H. Blue color. I. Red color. J. Yellow color. K. White color. L. Navy blue color. M. Green color. N. Pink color. O. Very good. You have completed uppercase A to O. Now we will move to lowercase ABCD. So let's get started. Small a. Small a. Small b. Small c. D. Blue color D. Green color. Small e. Pink color. Small f. Parrot green color. Small g. Brown color. Small h. Blue color. Small I. Red color. Small j. Yellow color. Small k. Purple color. Small l. Navy blue color. Small m. Green color. Small n. Pink color. Small o. Very good. You have completed capital A to O and small a to small o. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and O. Very good guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.